Hello everyone, and as you probably guessed, I'm Veronica, and I am back today to give you a really brief tutorial, but it's a really good one, on how to access the different features in an OpenType font. The first thing you'll need to do is load an OpenType font. You will know if your font is OpenType by simply scrolling your list of fonts and looking for the little O. The next thing you'll need to do is come over here to Window, and then choose Character. And now you can see you have another panel that opens up. And I'm going to put that right there. Now, I have already got my font selected, and the font that I'm using is Breathe Pro. And I'll turn that on so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to come over here to my Character panel, and what you'll do is click on this little icon here, and then you will see OpenType. Click on that. Next, you'll get another flyout window, and it has a whole list of options that may be available. If it's grayed out, that means it's not available for this particular font. So work with the ones that are actually available, and you can see here we have standard ligatures, contextual alternates, discretionary ligatures, swash, stylistic alternates, titling alternates, and ornaments. And I'll give you a brief demonstration of how those work. Okay, so normally your swashes and titling options will be available for capital letters, but you can try it on any letter. Some popular letters that you may find this would be F, L, S, sometimes T, but you can try it on any letter. All right, we're going to start here with the B in Beautiful. And then I'll come here, go to OpenType, and you can see what I have here already checked is standard ligatures, contextual alternates, discretionary is not checked. Contextual alternates is actually turned off, swash, and then titling. So what I'm going to do is uncheck titling. And you see there's no change. And then I'm going to come here and uncheck swash. And now look how the B has changed. And I'll back up so you can see what that difference was. You see how it changed? And then I just highlight it again. And now I've changed the look once again, and this time what I've done is I've come here and let me highlight my B so you can see what I did. Is I came here and I turned on standard, contextual, stylistics, and titling. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the L. Now, if I just turn on, let me make this a little bit smaller. Now here you can see, if I go to the L, I did not yet turn on titling. I only turned on stylistic. And here is the beautiful flourished L that I have. Okay, now let's try it by turning on stylistic. I forgot to highlight it. I'm sorry, I'm going to turn on titling and turn off stylistic. And now we have a completely different L. Which one do you like better? I think I would go for this one. And that is how you would work with your different type of ligatures. Now, let's say I highlighted this entire thing. You probably may not want to do that because you could get some really funky text, like here. It's not really legible. Some people may like that, but it just is too much and it's too difficult to read. So remember, when you're doing these, you only want to put them on a few select letters because this is very ornamental. Let's say I come here and I turn that to swash. That's also a nice look. So you see how you can really change the look of your font and give yourself a very customized look just by coming in here and playing with. I'm just going to back out of that and go back to the font that I like. So you can give yourself a really stylized look just by coming in here and playing with your characters. Now, we're going to try it another way with another font. Here I have Lobster 2 selected, and I want to show you how you can change the bolds. Now this time we're not going to be using our character panel. We're just going to come up here to our options bar, and over here you can see that there is a little drop down, and if I check it, there are actually different options here for me to change the look of this text. There is an option to italic, and you see how that changed? And there's an option to bold. Finally, a bold italic option. So that's a really quick tutorial, but I hope that you got a good idea of how to operate your OpenType fonts. These fonts are very powerful and give you a lot of different styling options. And if you didn't know about this character window, well, here it is, and now you know. And now you can get started creating your own stylized text. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, as always, remember to share, like, and subscribe, and of course, see us back for the next tutorial. Bye!